When you first land on your dashboard in Social Balance, you will be prompted with our auto guide tour. And it will simply give you an option if you want to add additional social profiles to your account. This is the space where you will type your message, and you can also include links that can be shortened and tracked automatically. And then you have the option of deciding how you want each platform network to appear. If you want to make any particular edits to the text, like with Twitter, sometimes you have to shorten it versus with LinkedIn, you could have much more longer text. You get to customize them as you see fit. And then lastly, you have an option to decide what category or select and create that category for that post so that you can place it inside of the queue, which you'll learn more about in another video. And then you can also generate reports as such. And then you can decide how you want to publish. You can publish to the queue, or you can choose to publish now, schedule for a specific date and time, choose the analytics optimal time, or save it as a draft. In addition, please note that we have support immediately available to you by way of our help. You can choose video tutorials as well as our knowledge base. In our video tutorials, our team has created a series of videos that will walk you through some of the features and functions of our platform. In addition, we have our knowledge base. You can simply type in a keyword and it will jump straight to it. So if you want to know about Instagram, then you can simply choose that, and then you can look at the article or the knowledge information respective of that particular topic, and then you will be able to read about it and follow suit. And it's just that simple. In addition, you'll notice up here your username is here. Again, you're in your 14-day free trial, but you can upgrade at any time. And just know that you can simply go to your logout whenever you are done. I look forward to seeing you in future videos.